Alright, it's 2023. I bought this mower in 2014 and just put gas and oil in it, and we're going to just pull it out of the shed for the first time, and we are going to do a first pull test. Oh, let me make sure I got the fuel turned on. This is a mistake I made last year, but it still started. I drain the carburetor every winter so that it will clean and take out the bowl, dry it out, make sure it's always sparkly clean, and that way I start with a nice clean carburetor with no ethanol gas in the mower. So that's on for a couple seconds. Pull the handle back, let's pull the cord, see what happens. First pull, every time. It's 9 years old now. I put a little bit of oil in the cylinder when I stored it, so that smoke is normal and will go away. And meanwhile, over here, yeah, Fred's belly. A little bonus material. Let's get Fred's belly. Fred just turned 10 this year. He's a little bit older than the mower. Yeah, that's a good boy, Fred. That's a good boy, Fred. Alright, we'll check in next year.